Hello everyone, welcome back to my CyberArk PAS 12.0 installation series video. This is second video to install PVWA. Previously we installed the Vault, so this is topology. We have domain controller already been set up. So in next couple of videos we're gonna do install PVWA, CPM, PSM. Let's start it. First thing, we always need to check the documentation for installation. We want to see what kind of prerequisites we needed, what kind of steps we need to take for the installation. So you can Google it and find the version 12.0 installation, and then you can find that there's two ways: automatic installation, manual installation. We will use automatic installation, much easier. That there are lots of PowerShell scripts available in the installation folder for you to do that installation. So we're going to take advantage of that to make sure the installation is simple and easy to follow. You may want to see the setup environment first. Windows 2016 server, we're going to use that. Install a Vault server. Vault server has to be installed first. Make sure network connection between the component server and the Vault server is available. Verify the port for PVWA. Here is a setup process. So this you can run this PVWA prerequisite PS1. We're gonna do that. We're gonna go to this folder to do this. So here is the installation steps. One more thing we need to check is the system requirements. There's a version compatibility check, digital Vault server. We're going to find out the PVWA, the system requirement.
What is this, champion? I couldn't, I was mashing one.
So minimum requirement is here.
What is this?
You can use Windows 2012 R2 version. One thing I want to mention here is .NET framework. You have to go to 4.8. This is mandatory requirement to install PVWA in this document. So that's the thing I want to mention out before we go to the next step. After that, then you can check the automatic installation guide for PVWA. So the first thing we're going to do is install .NET 4.8. I manually downloaded this .NET Framework 4.8 web installation program. So let's run it. While it's running, I want to check what kind of .NET version we have here. We have 4.6, so the requirement is 4.8, so just keep that in mind. Okay, finally this has been done. Finish. It's need a reboot. Let's reboot it now, and then we will come back once it's done. So system has come back. Run as administrator. Okay, after a couple of minutes, operation succeeded. Our next step is going to do registration. So we're gonna add it PVWA registration. Let's see, what do we have here? Let's go to registration folder. Notepad, PVWA registration. This IPS1 file. But what we're looking at is register component. Config XML file. Accept your yes. Vault IP, we need to change it. 1. The administrator. Application this CyberArk. Installation package, vault name, value demo, vault, password vault, save it. So Gonna run it with our vault password. You can use clear. No, it won't work. Let's see. Remove this one. Okay, we're gonna using clear password CyberArk 1 to register our PVWA into our vault. So within CyberArk schedule tasks to start. Let's take a look at that. Okay, it's finished. Okay, let's give it a try. Fantastic. So we're gonna see using our administrator account to log in. Perfect. All looks good so far. System health. Primary vault is healthy. Web portal is healthy. We haven't installed PTA. So we don't have any account here, but we can add account. Local Windows local or domain account. There's lots of work to do. Applications, policies, applications, report, and LDAP integration. We need to do that. And the system configuration. So far all's good. So we just installed our CyberArk. We haven't done hardening, but that if you really want to do it, just follow the CyberArk document here to finish the hardening part. That's all for this video. See you in next video.